This next one is maybe people don't realize it. If they see dancing, they're like, oh, that's something that's not gonna cost you money, which is true and untrue at the same time. It doesn't cost you money, especially at first. You're just learning from YouTube. But if you're gonna get really serious into it, you should understand it's not very expensive, but there's a lot of expenses that are not really thought about. A couple of those. The biggest one is gonna be shoes. You're gonna burn through shoes.
It takes time.
Yeah.
To learn.
Sure. Yeah.
And you're
Anyway.
burning through those shoes. I burned through shoes 3 months. It's gone. They're done.
Yeah,
The
I mean,
heel-
it depends on what they're gonna do.
Yeah. If you're breaking,
Yeah.
but anything, house and you're
Everything
wearing that.
first.
You're wearing that stuff down. I think house and breaking are the worst, but I think anything you're using your feet a lot. It wears out your heel and the heel of your shoe, and then you get damaged knees because you're now slightly off balance. So if you don't change them, you're gonna damage your knees. It's gonna put you out. So other things are clothes. I mean, everyone has clothes, but you're gonna burn, especially breaking. You're gonna burn through some sweatpants. You're gonna get holes everywhere.
And
sliding.
you need a t-shirt all year.
Yeah, you're gonna need
Winter.
changes of clothes all the time because you're always practicing. So that means you're always sweating in something. That's gone. You need a new shirt.
Oh, you can't wear the white t-shirt, right?
Yeah. Oh, that's a good one.
Definitely.
Don't wear white.
No, don't wear white.
That's what I mean.
for people.
Yeah, we usually wear dark
No,
clothes.
we're private.
Yeah. But
You're gonna
we-
burn.
we-
You're gonna burn. through them. Some other costs are classes. I mean, classes are cheap compared to other things, but they're still $20 a class. If you're doing private lessons, you're trying to speed stuff up. Those are gonna cost money. It's physically demanding thing, so you're paying $80, $100 an hour for someone. So I mean, that's New York City prices. I'm sure it's cheaper elsewhere, but you're gonna pay for it. It's a very physically demanding. Teachers can only teach so much before they're worn out, depending on what level they're teaching you at. So that's something to take into consideration. If you want to practice and you don't have space, or if you want good floor, you don't want to dance in grass, because that can mess up your knees if it's uneven. You gotta pay for some space. If you don't have, New York, we don't have a lot of space. So, what the hell are you doing? So that's another cost. You have any other costs that you go through?
Cost?
Yeah.
Especially, I really focus on the fashion. Like
Fashion's also a part of dancing.
Yeah,
you're a performer.
Definitely.
You also have costumes and makeup if you're a girl too.
I
You
mean,
also
the boys, they do.
You also have things to prevent, like, if you're gonna get sore a lot, you're gonna want a foam roller. Maybe you want a resistance band. Maybe you want a machine that's gonna massage you. Maybe also a lot of dancers will go get massage. That's a cost. You're probably gonna want to get a massage every couple of months or a month or whatever because you're gonna be super sore. Or you need a machine that's a couple $100 to do it for you. So, or get a really good friend. Those are costs that you might not take into consideration. Another big cost that people don't understand if you're trying to be professional.
And if you're trying to try a different dance style, even heels, tap dance.
Oh, there you
and
go.
everything is different shoes.
Yeah.
Or ballet.
And if you're first starting, you're probably not gonna have sweatpants. Like windbreakers, sweatpants, maybe sweatpants, but there's a lot of good pants for specifically for athletic, and those you're not gonna have them probably. So those are costs. Also, another cost that's if you're becoming a professional dancer is your health, your food, things you eat.
Yep.
You're gonna wanna not eat crappy food, which means you're gonna be spending more money on getting good quality food. Good quality food is going to speed up your recovery. It's going to give you more energy. It's going to make you a better dancer. If you're a professional, those are all considerations that you need to take into account. I wouldn't say stop dancing because you don't have it, but just think, everyone's trying to be the best they can. Those are things to take and say, okay, let me cut out this and let me try to spend more money here. It's not a lot of money, but you're going to maybe, if you're cutting the line, shuffle some stuff around.